Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all well and good. A very warm welcome from Sheba Group of Schools online class. Yes children, take your social class work. So page number 192 pages are ruled pages. You have to take. Yes children, in the previous class we wrote the lesson number 1. Now we are going to write the next lesson. So the date is 10/9. The date is 10/9. You have to put the date 10/9. So cover the line by using the pencil and scale. The lesson name is Towards History. Lesson name is Towards History. See the spelling TWOWARDS. Towards. 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 Leave finger gap. History. 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 Yes children, write the headings and start writing Roman number 1. Now we are going to write Roman number 1, dictation words. Roman number 1, dictation words. So 5 D words is having dictation, DICTATION, dictation. Leave finger gap, then write words, WORDS, words. Dictation words. The first D words is museum. First D words is museum. 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 In Tamil we call it as அருங்காட்சியகம். தமிழ்ல நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? அருங்காட்சியகம். So museum. 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 Write neatly and neatly children. Cover the line clearly. So museum number 1, number 2. For number 2 leave one line. Okay, leave one line. Then write number 2. Weapons. 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 weapons அப்படின்னா ஆயுதங்கள் சொல்கிறோம். weapons என்ன சொல்கிறோம்? ஆயுதங்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். weapons. number 2, weapons. So after finishing weapons, leave one line again. Okay. ornaments. 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 After finishing third one, again leave one line, then write number 4. Number 3, ornaments. ornaments na ஆபரணங்கள் அப்படினு சொல்றோம். ornaments. After finishing ornaments, leave one line, then write number 4. documents. 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 So documents na கோப்புகள் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So documents. 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 So documents. After finishing documents, again leave one line, then write number 5. So number 5 is inventions. 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 inventions அப்படின்னா இன்வென்ஷன்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. இன்வென்ஷன் என்ன பண்ணுறது? கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. ஒரு பொருளையோ எப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. ஸோ இன்வென்ஷன்ஸ். INVENTIONS. inventions. So dictation words. Roman number 1, dictation words. Number 1 is museum. Number 1 is museum. Number 2, weapons. Number 3, ornaments. Number 4, documents. Number 5, inventions. So after finishing Roman number 1, cover the line. So draw a line by using pencil and scale. Draw a line by using pencil and scale. Now Roman number 2. So Roman number 2 is choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. So there is 3 chooses having children. So choose the best answer. After writing this one, leave one line, then start writing the first one. So the first one is Paleolithic humans. Paleolithic humans. The options are or cotton cloths, or leaves and skin of animals, or leaves and skin of animals. Number C, third option is wore woolen cloths, wore woolen cloths. So what kind of cloths, what kind of dress the Paleolithic humans wear? So the answer is wore leaves and skin of animals. அனிமலுடைய தோலும் மரத்துலேருந்து வர அந்த லீவ்ஸ் இலைகள் வச்சு தான் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ட்ரெஸ்ஸாக போட ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. ஸோ ஓர் ஸ்பெல்லிங், சி த ஸ்பெல்லிங் ஹியர், WORE, ஓர், leave finger gap, then write leaves, 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 finger gap again, and AND, and again finger gap, skin, 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 again finger gap, OF, off, so leave the finger gap, and animals, ANIMALS, animals. The answer is wore leaves and skin of animals. So after finishing the answer, see the answer, underline the answer here, okay, underline by using pencil and scale. So underline the answer. So first one is over, children. Now the second second one is, so after finishing the first one, leave one line, then start write the second one. The animals tamed by early humans was, which animal? In the lesson I thought you know which animal. The animals tamed by early humans was dash. Options are number 1 cow, 2 horse, 3 dog. See the options, A is cow, B is horse, C is dog. Answer is dog, DOG, dog. ஸோ எந்த அனிமல் வந்து ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக அவங்க மூவ் பண்ணாங்க ஏர்லி ஹியூமன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா டாக், DOG, டாக். ஆஃப்டர் ஃபினிஷிங் டாக், அண்டர்லைன் த வேர்ட் டாக். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் ஃபினிஷிங் த செகண்ட் ஒன், லீவ் த லைன் ஃபார் தேர்ட் ஒன். Yes children, now we move on to third, choose the correct answer. The first metal invented by early human was dash. So first metal, எந்த metal first அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க early humans அப்படின்னா, so the options are iron, copper, gold. So which one is the answer here? Iron, copper, gold. The answer is copper. Answer is copper. So the spelling of copper, 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 copper. Here the copper is the answer. So underline the copper by using the scale and pencil. So leave the finger gap and write children. After finishing the 3, choose the best answer. Leave the line and cover the line. Okay. So cover the line by using scale and pencil. So first choose Paleolithic humans wore leaves and skin of animals. Second one is the animals tamed by early humans was dog. Third one, the first metal invented by early human was copper. So now the Roman number 3. So the Roman number 3 is fill in the blanks. Roman number 3 is fill in the blanks. There are 4 fill in is having children. How many fill in? 4 fill in is having. So right after finishing the headlines, draw the line by using scale and pencil. So leave one line here. Number 1, early man lived in caves. Early man lived in caves. ஸோ பழங்காலத்து மனிதர்கள்லாம் எங்கே வாழ்ந்துருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா குகைகள் சொல்லுவோம். கேவ்ஸ் தானே சொல்லுவோம், குகைகள். early man lived in caves. See the spelling of caves, CAVES, caves. See the spelling of caves, CAVES, caves. Here the answer is caves. Underline the word by using scale and pencil. So leave one line here children. Write your handwriting very neatly. So number 2, the period that used iron tools was called Iron Age. ஸோ இரும்புகள் வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணுற அந்த பீரியடுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா அயன் ஏஜ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். இந்த இரும்புகளை ஆயுதமாக யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, கருவிகள் ஆயுதமாக யூஸ் பண்ணுற அந்த ஸ்டேஜ் பேர் என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா அயன் ஏஜ். The period that used iron tools was called Iron age. So iron age spelling IRON. Iron, leave finger gap, age, 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 iron age. So underline the word iron age. Third one is, after finishing the second one, leave one line. Then number 3, the first scientific invention was stone wheels. முதல்ல எது இன்வென்ட் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா ஸ்டோன் வீல்ஸ், அந்த பாறையால் ஆன சக்கரம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அதை வச்சு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு அவங்க இன்வென்ட் பண்ணதே அதுதான். The first scientific invention was stone wheels. Stone spelling STONE, stone wheels, 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 stone wheels. So the spelling STONE, stone wheels, WHEELS, stone wheels. Underline the word stone wheels by using scale and pencil. So after finishing the third fill-in, leave one line for the fourth one. So number 4, name one site where historical research is still going on. கீழடி. ஸோ இன்னும் கூட அகழ்வாராய்ச்சி, அந்த ஆராய்ச்சிகள் போயிட்டுருக்கு. எந்த இடத்துல அப்படின்னா கீழடி. எந்த இடம்னா கீழடி. KEELADI, கீழடி. KEELADI, கீழடி. Underline the word கீழடி. So the 4 fill-ins are, early man lived in caves. Underline the word caves. Leave one line. Number 2, the period that used iron tools was called Iron Age. Underline the word Iron Age. Number 3, the first scientific invention was stone wheels. Underline the word stone wheels. Fourth one, name one site where historical research is still going on. கீழடி. Underline the word கீழடி. So then leave a line, cover the line with scale and pencil. Yes children, now we move on to Roman number 4, short questions. Roman number 4, short questions. The 2 questions are having children. After finishing short questions, draw the line by using scale and pencil. Leave one line here. Now the first question is, what is stone age? What is stone age? கற்காலம்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறோம். Stone age, answer, leave one line for the answer. So here the answer, before writing the answer, leave 2 finger gap. So before writing the answer, leave 2 finger gap. Stone age is a period in which stones were used as weapons. Stone age is a period in which stones were used as weapons. So after finishing weapons, keep a full stop here. So leave one line, cover the line with pencil and scale. Okay children, the first question is over. So now the second question is, in which age stone and copper were used? In which age stone and copper were used? Question mark. So leave one line for the answer. So answer, before writing the answer, 2 finger gap you have to leave. Stone and copper were used in Chalcolithic age. Which age? Chalcolithic age. Stone and copper were used in Chalcolithic age. So after finishing the second question, draw the line. The 2 questions are over children. Cover the line by using scale and pencil. Put the parent sign here. Get your parent signature. Yes children, I hope how to write your classworks. Understand children how to write the classworks. So write the classwork neatly and clearly children. Draw the lines by using scale and pencil. After finishing one Roman number, draw the lines. So we will meet in the next class children. Thank you.